buy?
I'll buy that.
Kanin? Oh my God, guys. Bigyan nyo na si Kuya for food. You don't have for food, but you have something for Yossi, Kuya. You're very much welcome, Kuya. Guys, bigyan nyo na, guys. Bigyan nyo na, guys.
You buy rice or you buy food? I buy that.
Kanin? Where are you from? Excuse me, where are you from, Kuya? Kuya, where are you from? Say hi. Kuya! Snap! Taray! Guwapo pa naman ni Kuya. Sayang. Nandito ako sa ano. Dito. Bye-bye!